Is your car seat wrecking your spine? Do you ever step out of your car feeling stiff, sore, or achy? You're not alone. Whether you're commuting to work or taking long road trips, spending hours in a car can have a serious impact on your spine. Most people don't give their car seat a second thought that it may be doing more damage than you realize. So, is your car seat wrecking your spine? Let's find out. The posture problem. Car seats are designed with safety in mind, not necessarily spinal health. Many vehicles come with seats that tilt backward, have poor lumbar support, or place your hips lower than your knees. This leads to poor posture, often referred to as the C-slouch, where your spine curves unnaturally, your shoulders roll forward, and your neck juts out. Over time, this posture can compress your lower back, tighten your hip flexors, and strain your upper spine. If you're driving for more than 30 minutes a day, these effects can add up quickly and lead to chronic issues such as lower back pain, sciatica, neck stiffness, shoulder tension, poor circulation, lumbar support, missing or misused. One of the biggest problems is a lack of proper lumbar support. The natural curve in your lower back, the lumbar curve, is critical for spinal health. Without support, your spine collapses into a rounded shape that puts pressure on the discs in your lower back. Some cars have built-in lumbar support, but it's often not adjustable or positioned correctly for every body type. If the support hits too high or too low, it can actually make things worse. Fixing the problem. Simple adjustments. The good news, you don't have to suffer in silence. Small changes to your seating position and support can make a big difference. Adjust your seat angle. Aim for a slightly reclined angle around 100 to 110 degrees so your back stays upright, but not overly rigid. Raise your hips. Your hips should be at the same level or slightly higher than your knees. Sit on a cushion if needed to achieve better alignment. Use a lumbar pillow. If your seat lacks support, try a lumbar roll or small cushion to maintain your lower back's natural curve. Headrest position. Your head should rest comfortably against the headrest without tilting forward. This reduces strain on your neck. Take frequent breaks. On long drives, stop every hour or two to stretch, move around, and reset your posture. Don't ignore the warning signs. If you're experiencing recurring pain, your body might be signaling that something needs to change. Ignoring these signs can lead to long-term spinal problems and discomfort that spills over into other areas of your life. Final thoughts. So, is your car seat wrecking your spine? It might be, especially if you're dealing with back pain and spend a lot of time behind the wheel. The solution isn't buying a new car, it's learning to sit smarter. With a few thoughtful adjustments, you can protect your spine, reduce pain, and make every drive a little more comfortable. Your spine supports you. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.